Hey guys, Dan Weinberger again, CEO of Morpheus.Network. Just want to talk to you a little bit again about the conference in China with you and CEFACT. Once again, what the conference is about is all about trade facilitation. There's so much data that's flowing throughout the world when it comes to the world of import and export and supply chain. So you and CEFACT has amazing initiatives, the cross-industry invoicing initiative, as well as the data pipeline initiative as well, to harmonize all this data, how it's brought into the system. And all those data flows around. We have this technology called blockchain. And what blockchain provides us is a unique location for data to be, where that data can be original and authentic and still digital and instantly shareable all around the world. Bringing the world of blockchain together with these different initiatives of you and CEFACT. I'm so excited about that. This really is a global mission to optimize global trade. So having you and CEFACT and the initiatives that they're already leading, as well as adding in the technology that we can provide as well, extremely excited about that. So once again, hope you guys are having a great day. Definitely talk to you soon.